Welcome to perfectlyalign.com. I'm Eloise. I'm the founder of Perfectly Align and I'm the owner of the Healthy Body Studio. And I have a gift for you, which I'll tell you about in just a moment. But right now, I want to share with you my story. From my very first yoga and Pilates classes over 10 years ago, I was hooked. I loved both practices. I loved the effects that they had on my body. I have been regularly practicing and teaching yoga and Pilates since that time. And then I added massage therapy into my tool belt. I loved helping people find their way to a healthier, happier body. So much so that I would eventually own the Healthy Body Studio, yoga, Pilates, and massage studio. I began teaching up to 8 classes per day. And with this very regular practice, I noticed that by the end of the day, my body was more fatigued, more prone to niggling injuries. I was experiencing more shoulder and neck pain than I had ever before. And I was also getting constant lower back pain, feeling less vibrant and feeling less alive. This was an absolutely shocking revelation to me. I was teaching what many health practitioners advised was the cure for these symptoms. I knew something was wrong and that it wasn't just affecting me, it would also affect each and every one of my clients as well. That's when I began looking for answers, and it arrived with the magic combination of Yoga Align and foundation training. This journey away from traditional yoga and Pilates and into Yoga Align and foundation training has completely transformed my body. I feel healthier, fitter, stronger, more balanced, energized, vibrant, and full of life than I have since I was a child. I definitely don't need coffee anymore. Some of the many benefits that you'll notice with a regular practice: you can remove neck, shoulder, and lower back pain completely. Feel more balanced, fitter, and healthier. Learn how to increase your flexibility level instantly and painlessly. Feeling lighter, happier, more energized, more vibrant. Learn how to create natural core strength. Empower yourself by learning how to heal your own body. Even if you've had chronic lower back pain, shoulder and or neck pain for a long time, even if you're overweight or not fit, even if you've never done any yoga or Pilates before, or even if you've been practicing yoga every day for 50 years, even if you're a professional athlete, even if you're recovering from an injury or surgery, the combination of these two methods is for everybody. It doesn't matter what your age or your fitness level. Anyone can do this. And trust me, you need to try this. Commit to your own health by signing up and getting started today with a foundational training series and get instant access to the first lesson for just $1. The next 3 weekly lessons are my gift to you to try for free. I would love to hear about your journey as you progress through the lessons. You can leave comments, feedback, and tell us about the changes that you notice. When you share your journey, this can help encourage and inspire others to take that leap of faith as a result of your trust and bravery to try something new, to try something different. I am really looking forward to sharing and go to a more energized version of you. Let's get started with lesson 1.